So today in this class, we have using the data type for the mathematical calculation. Okay, in the VBA. So go to the developer tab, Visual Basic, and insert module, and we have right here macro. First, declare the macro, and we have if we want to create some macros for input and output. Input the some initial numbers and give the output calculations. So I want to calculate the growth. Okay, growth. Just like we have, just like one second. So we have growth is just like we have the quarter one and quarter two. So quarter one is the 50 and quarter two have a 60. So in the quarter two, how many percentage we have growth? Okay. So mathematical formula say latest, it means quarter two minus quarter one oldest divide by oldest. So I want to calculate this equation in the VBA program. So we go to the Visual Basic and we have first input the quarter one and quarter two. So for input we have defined. So dim Q1 Q1 comma Q2 as a log. So we have defined the two and more than two and three variables in the one line. You can also define this type and you can also define the separate like this. So dim Q2 Q2 as a long. Okay. Oh, yeah, we are spelling mistake. Here is very cold, so my finger is not working. Okay. So yeah, we have give the input Q1 equal to input box and we have give the enter the quarter one bracket close and quarter two also input box and we have enter the quarter two bracket close and enter. So we have right here Q1 equal to input box. Sorry, we also define for the result. So R as a double because we want to divide and minus multiply divide more calculation and these calculation have also in decimal places. So we have write the double, right? So R equal to in the bracket quarter two minus quarter one divide by quarter one. Okay, we got the result. Our man MSG box we have pass out the growth percent is R. Okay. Okay. Formula says if you want to growth, so first get the difference between latest and oldest and divide by oldest. Okay. So we have get the difference between oldest to latest and difference will be divided by the oldest. Okay. And here is a problem, one problem here. So we have run this macro and check the result. Maybe result is showing the wrong. Not wrong, but wrong format. Yeah, this type. But I want to in the percentage. I want to in the percentage. So how can declare the percentage? If your number in any cells, we have applied the number form. but my number not in the cell, my number in the variable. So we have right here r divided by r is multiplied by 100, okay, and give here formula round and comma 0 and give the percent symbol, okay, percent symbol in the inverted comma. Now we have run this, type the 50, 60 and press the enter, you got the 20%, okay. So understand the formula. First declare the long and first declare the double. So one thing you have understand, if my number is double, so why use the round? We have also used the long here long. The problem is that this calculation is stored as a decimal on R. Okay, so need to our double. If you use the long, so this equation store as a zero here. Understand? Okay. I also give the next calculation. I want to calculate MRP. I want to calculate MRP. So MRP have a no formula. MRP have a no formula. So MRP have a system. We have need to calculate one by one all margin for the in the supply chain. Subject MRP bracket open close. We have right here dim cost product making cost as a log. Okay. Then we have a cost equal to, you can also use the input box, but we have write the directly 50. And now we have defined here result dim r as a double. Okay. So r equal to cost plus 5% of cost. So distributors say, manufacturers say, I have add my 5% profit on my making cost and sell to the distributor. Okay. So distributor price is the cost plus 5% of the cost. And here remember, you can't do the percent symbol here. Okay. You can give here just percent in the decimal. Let's say 5%, so 5 divided by 100. Now sorry, r equal to again same calculation, r plus r divided by 10%. Okay, so 20% we have write the 0.10. So distributors say I do not about idea about the manufacturing cost and production cost. I just buying and add the 10% of the my maybe buying cost and sell to the wholesaler. Same wholesaler say, you can see we not need any other data types. We have also override the previous data like that, because we don't need to this of the calculation. This calculation to help to my result, finding the result. So we have override here. And in the VB microprogramming, first calculate the right side and then update to left side. Okay. So when calculate the right side, my number will be also stored on the R. After that, the final result is stored in the R. So we change the value, R change the value after this calculation. Okay. So you can also use this type of the, if you have multiple calculations, one step by step, and no need to further need to this calculation to next lines. So that time we have used this type of the one single variable. Okay. And MRP is the R. Okay. Sorry, MSG box is the R. Now we have run here. You can see sibling point data. Understand? Any problem? Now need to calculate more calculation with this code. Okay. So I have shared the sum equation, the mathematical equation in your WhatsApp. I give the one example so that we understand what we done with equation. So first the this see here. So my figure, the figure LBH. So you can need to assume to a one LBH, define the one LBH and also assign the value. Okay. So we have subject, uh, position number one, bracket open close. Okay. So LBH, so we have defined here dim L comma B comma H as a log. Okay. So you can also input the value, also assign the value L20 H equal to 60 and B equal to 5, 50. Okay. Now we can need the calculate the volume. Okay. So you have defined here volume dim V as a the along. Okay. And here is the V equal to just multiply the both together. Okay. We have calculate the volume. You can also MSG box and we have sugar V. Okay. Now we want to create the LC area, like a curve area. So we have a dim SC surface area, surface area as a log. Okay. And what is the formula for SA? SA equal to, formula is 2 multiplied by H. Okay. So in the bracket 2 multiplied by H plus and also multiply again bracket L plus B. So L plus B. Okay. So you can also SA, SA. You can check the result. Okay. So you have calculate the all equation like that. Okay. I have shared the class recording or also the today code. And on Monday we have discussed the logical condition. It means if condition. Okay. We have you have to have practice and on Monday we have discussed. Thank you.